first thing we're going to do is take this cover off and then set it to the side and keep the bolts in a safe place so they don't get lost on you. And then we're going to open the package that the cord came in. Then I'm going to start loosening the screws over each of these sections. So you're going to have a black, a white, a red. If you have a 4-prong plug and a 4-prong connection, that means you have a ground wire. You're also going to connect the green ground wire. If you have an older home with older wiring without a ground, you're going to have a 3-prong and you're just not going to have the ground. That's the only difference. Because in this case, I do have a 4-prong with a ground wire, I'm going to remove all 4 of these screws or bolts for this connection and set them to the side because I'm going to need them when I connect my wire back in. You're going to match the black wire from your cord to the black wire coming out of the section going into the screw above it on the stove. Same with the white, same with the red, and then the green ground wire if you have one. If not, just disregard this. But if you do have one, then you're going to use that green bolt that came out and bolt that green wire into that section. Next, we're going to install the strain relief clamp. The point of this is just a safety feature, and it just makes sure that if this cord gets tugged on, it's going to tug at the point of this strain relief piece rather than where the metal's on the metal and making the actual electrical connection. So this is just a safety feature. Here's just another view from below so you can see how this attaches to the cord and how you can tighten these clamps with the screws that they provide. I always, when I got started, would always get mixed up on how to attach these. I don't know why I couldn't put them back together the way I wanted to. So here's just another view in case you need it. Here's just one more quick top view so you can see how that tug protector fits through the hole. Now just put that cover panel back on and you're all set.